Wes Craven directing, Kevin Williamson writing, and a solid cast led by Christina Ricci and Jesse Eisenberg. The story follows two siblings who survive a brutal werewolf attack, only to realize they've been infected with the curse themselves. As they struggle to control their newfound powers and uncover the werewolf's identity, chaos ensues. Despite its potential, Cursed suffered from production troubles, heavy rewrites, and CGI werewolves that lacked the terror of practical effects. It's a horror flick with some fun moments, witty dialogue, and classic Craven-style suspense, but it never fully transforms into the werewolf masterpiece it could have been.